Nyama, nyama.
Forcing them. That's what I'm doing.
Be sure to like, share, and subscribe.
Almost done. We almost finished this one. Right there, cause they gotta tear that down and put new bricks up there because they want stone up there. They don't want the bricks up there. So now we gotta do that over twice now. That's what the HOA said.
Oh, so what that is right there is gonna be the whole house?
Yeah. So what happened is, what you mean? No, they don't want that on the whole house. They want that on the chimney. So we gotta take down the bricks and add stone. So it's
gonna be red, like this little red right here.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah. That's what we gotta do.
I like the stone better.
They keep messing. Every time they mess up, make us spend more money.
They don't tell you before?
Yeah, but you trying. Listen, it's sickening. It's sickening. They got too many rules.
I guess. Well, why? Who chose the red?
I chose the red.
What make you choose red?
You see that? How nice that house look? That's down the street.
No,
Yeah, I wanted to copy off of them.
I gotta see it.
You gotta see it. We could walk over there. I'll take you so you can see it. So it's like the same concept.
I like that stone better.
Yeah. So that's how you do that.
I like the white. It should be white.
The white? Like white? He don't like to be on camera. I'm trying to put him on camera. He walk away. He walk away when I put him on camera. You don't like to be on camera? Just on your YouTube? Just your YouTube, right?
I'm going ghost.
You wanna go ghost?
I don't want them to see me.
Why?
Because they don't deserve to see me.
They don't deserve to see you?
Mm-mm.
What you gotta do to deserve to see you?
Not yet. It's my time.
It's not time? When is it gonna be the right time?
My time.
Your time? When is that?
When I say so.
When you gonna say so?
When I feel like it.
You gonna let me know?
I'll let you know.
Then I can put the camera on you?
Yeah.
All right,
you
thank
have
you.
my blessing.
I got your blessings?
Yeah, I'll give you my blessing.
You give me your
I
blessings.
Didn't give you my
You
blessing.
hear this? You hear what I gotta go through? You hear what I gotta go through? You see?
They on time out.
They on time out.
That one time.
They on time out for putting you on. You wanted to. They talking about you.
Chill. It's a
Tariq.
I'm crying.
They talk. You know what they talk about? They talk about my New York accent.
Really? That's what
They said it's heavy.
It's heavy? Yeah.
It's heavy. Is this? It's heavy? You think so?
Yeah, I think so. You don't, yeah.
No, I don't think so.
It's not that heavy. But, I mean, I don't know. I think it's heavy.
You think it's heavy?
I don't think my accent's heavy. People tell me it's heavy. I think it's just, we from New York, so I don't think my accent's heavy. I feel like we talk regular, but it's just certain.
I got you. I got him. See? I got I got you trying to look away. I got you. What? Because you talking about you don't be on camera. No, let's check on the other house and then we could leave. We could walk. What up? What's up, Instagram? How y'all doing? How y'all mother is doing? Just walking through the neighborhood, that's all. Checking on these properties, making sure everybody working. That's all, making sure everybody working. So this whole neighborhood is new. Brand brand new. Hold on, let me flip it. Oh, watch out. Everything is getting built over here. It's a football player house. I can't tell y'all his name, but he play in the NFL. Come to Houston. I want some what you call those? 2-family. I said, okay. See you later. That's why I picked that brick, because that brick over there is nice. So, let me see where they at with it. Oh, that's blocked. Hey, what's up, Paul? How you? Good?
Yeah.
All right, listen, I got the towels for the deck. That put them in the garage.
Okay.
So you can start that anytime. So right now, I put...
This week it's cold.
It's too cold?
Yeah.
All right.
Outside it's cold. I do on Swanee the house.
You go to Swanee?
Yeah. Oh, there is 3 days.
All right.
After I come.
All right. So yeah, so...
Maybe if you do the fireplace and the front,
Right.
they come in 1-2 days.
Okay.
Do everything.
Yeah, so they all in the garage waiting for you. Whenever you decide...
Like I'm done, I go check.
Okay, whenever you decide, I'm gonna go look and see what you did so far in this house. You finished upstairs?
Yeah.
All right. Let me see what you did upstairs. Let me see. Oh, okay. The shower. Okay. That's good. Nope. Nope. Oh. Oh, okay. That look good. All right, cool. Oh, okay, nice. Okay, inner floors. Okay. That's the shower box. This is where you put your shampoo. The shampoo box. Okay, they did the towels on the floor. Go up the wall. Alright, cool. Nice. Nice. P Hef. What's up, P? What's up, my brother? What's up, my brother? How you doing, my brother? This is how you keep the cold out. Man, I'm going to the front door. What the hell I'm doing that? Get dirty. Don't want to get dirty. Oh, hold on, time out. Oh, okay. Nice. Yeah, nice. This is nice. Okay. So this a washer and dryer inside the walk-in closet. Then it's the bathroom. That's the shower. That's the tub. That's the his and her sink right there. And this is another walk-in closet. So I'm about to do this walk-in closet. So it's in the bathroom. Then they prepping it to tile up the wall. Everything prep it up so the tile go all the way up from everywhere. That's an upgrade. That's a major upgrade. Major upgrade. So it should be like never too much. Okay. I go out to the front. It's cold. Ready? See these big ones? I'm gonna go. The finished products over here is like 3 million, 4 million. This one over there is like, I don't know, like 6 million. That big one right there, as you see, like 6. Now it's time to go check on some other properties. Make my rounds. Alright, y'all. I gotta get off this phone and make some phone calls.
Thanks for tuning in